Hello, welcome to the Great Garden channel. This is my Zamioculcas plant. Although it is considered one of the easiest plants to care for, after a period of time, it can still experience yellow leaves, slow growth, weak stems, and no longer remain as green and healthy as before. In today's video, I will share with you a simple care method to help the Zamioculcas plant recover strongly, develop glossier green leaves, and continuously produce new shoots. The special thing is that we only use very easy-to-find ingredients, low-cost materials, and everything can be done right at home. If you are new here, do not forget to subscribe to the channel so you will not miss any tips on caring for, growing, and propagating plants on the Great Garden channel. Let us get started. First, use specialized scissors and disinfect the blades with alcohol before starting. Next, cut off yellow, wilted, or damaged leaves. Removing these leaves will help the plant reduce nutrient loss while also lowering the risk of fungal diseases spreading to healthy parts. After that, gently water around the base of the plant with clean water to moisten the soil. This will help the root system absorb water better, reduce dryness, and create favorable conditions for the plant to recover after pruning. At the same time, suitable moisture also helps the plant maintain vitality and stimulates the growth of new leaves and roots. Do the same for the remaining plants to ensure that all plants receive equal care and have the best conditions for recovery. Next, let the plant rest. This will help the plant reduce stress after pruning, minimize water loss, and create conditions for the root system to stabilize again before entering a new growth stage. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. While waiting, I will prepare a natural nutrient solution for the plant. Here, I am using lime. Do you have lime at home? I will use a knife to gently peel the skin of the lime. Lime is not only a familiar fruit in the kitchen, but it also contains many vitamins, organic acids, and natural minerals. Lime peel contains many natural essential oils, antioxidant compounds, and a small amount of beneficial minerals. These components are often used by many gardeners to make plant care solutions, helping clean leaf surfaces, support the limitation of certain harmful agents, and contribute to healthier plant growth. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. After obtaining the lime peel, slice it into thin pieces as shown in the video. This will help increase the contact area between the lime peel and water, allowing the essential oils and natural compounds in the peel to be extracted more effectively. At the same time, smaller peel slices also help the soaking process happen faster, making the resulting solution more concentrated and more uniform. Put all the sliced lime peel into a clean glass cup. The next ingredient I use is coffee. Coffee contains a small amount of minerals such as potassium, magnesium, and nitrogen, along with many natural organic compounds. When used properly, coffee can help improve the quality of the growing medium. Add 3 tablespoons of coffee into the cup containing lime peel. Next, pour about 500 milliliters of hot water into the cup containing the lime peel and coffee. Hot water will help the nutrients in the coffee, along with the essential oils and natural compounds in the lime peel, be extracted faster and more effectively. Use a spoon to stir well until the solution is completely combined. Stirring well helps the nutrients from the coffee and the natural compounds in the lime peel distribute evenly in the water, supporting a more effective extraction process. Finally, cover the cup and let the solution steep for 1 hour. After 1 hour, when the solution has completely cooled, I use a strainer to remove all the lime peel and coffee residue, keeping only the nutrient-rich liquid. Filtering out the residue will make the solution clearer, reduce sediment during use, and prevent clogging in watering cans or spray bottles. At the same time, the liquid obtained can penetrate the soil and root system more easily, helping the plant absorb natural nutrients more effectively. Next, add 1 liter of clean water at room temperature to dilute the solution. That is it. We have obtained a concentrated solution to use for the plants. Method 1. Use a soft cotton pad and soak it in the lime peel and coffee solution. Then gently wipe both sides of each leaf of the Zamioculcas plant. Using this solution will help remove dust, residue, and impurities accumulated on the leaf surface over time. At the same time, the natural compounds from the lime peel help make the leaves cleaner and shinier, while the nutrients in the coffee help maintain the natural green color of the leaves. When the leaf surface is clean, the plant can also absorb light better, helping photosynthesis occur more efficiently, thereby helping the plant grow healthily and maintain a fresh green appearance full of vitality. If you have questions or want to share about orchids, please post on the community tab of the channel. Let us exchange and learn orchid care experiences together every day. Method 2. Pour the coffee and lime solution into a specialized watering bottle. Then gently water around the base of the Zamioculcas plant. Using this solution will help supply natural nutrients to the growing medium, supporting the root system in absorbing nutrients more effectively. At the same time, the organic compounds in coffee combined with the nutrients from lime peel also help improve the soil environment, creating favorable conditions for new root growth. When used regularly in appropriate amounts, the Zamioculcas plant will grow healthier, develop glossy green leaves, thicker stems, and continuously produce new shoots full of vitality. You should water this solution about once per week, so the plant can absorb nutrients gradually and develop steadily. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. Method 3. Pour the solution into a specialized spray bottle, then gently mist the entire base, stems, and leaves of the Zamioculcas plant. Spraying the solution directly onto the plant will help clean dust from the leaf surface while also providing additional natural nutrients that help the leaves maintain a glossy green color and stay healthy. In addition, the compounds in the lime peel help the leaves become cleaner and more beautiful, increasing light absorption so that photosynthesis can occur more effectively. To achieve the best results, you can apply this method 1 to 2 times per week, in the early morning or late afternoon, so the plant can absorb nutrients better. Besides the Zamioculcas plant, I also use this solution to mist my peace lily. This solution helps remove dust from the leaf surface, supports the plant in absorbing light better, and helps the leaves maintain a naturally fresh green color. At the same time, the nutrients in the solution also contribute to supporting the plant's growth process, helping leaves develop strongly, reducing yellowing, and maintaining a lush, vibrant appearance. When used regularly together with a suitable care routine, the peace lily will grow more steadily, develop lush green leaves, and have favorable conditions for producing beautiful flowers. I pour the remaining solution into another clean spray bottle and store it in the refrigerator. If this video helps you better understand how to properly care for your plants, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss upcoming videos. This helps extend the usable life of the solution while saving time and effort because you do not need to make a fresh batch every time you care for your plants. When needed, simply take out the solution and quickly water or mist the plants, making it very convenient for regular plant care at home. Both convenient and time-saving, this method is especially suitable for busy people who still want to maintain a regular plant care routine. With only a few minutes each week, you can provide nutrients and keep your plants green and healthy without spending too much effort. Results. After 2 months of consistently applying this method, the Zamioculcas plant showed clear changes. From a slow-growing plant with yellow leaves and low vitality, it has now recovered strongly and become much greener and healthier. New leaves continue to appear with a darker green color, beautiful shine, and stronger structure than before. The new stems are also growing vigorously, becoming thicker and taller, making the entire pot look fuller and more attractive. Not only the Zamioculcas plant, but the peace lily has also improved significantly. The leaves are greener, healthier, and growing steadily after regular care with this natural solution. From plants that were once weak and lacking vitality, they have now become lush, healthy, vibrant potted plants, helping create a greener and more beautiful living space every day. If you find this video helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Great Garden channel to support us. Thank you for taking the time to watch. See you again in the next videos on the Great Garden channel.